Hello everyone, this is Gabriel from Beards Bacon Tech coming to you today on this beautiful morning, this beautiful weather, riding my OneWheel pint. If you don't mind, please leave me in a comment below what kind of OneWheel you have or which OneWheel you're gonna get, if you're gonna get one, and let me know what the funnest place you've been to ride a OneWheel, and what is the most dangerous fall or what happened when you fell or hurt yourself on the OneWheel. Let us know about that. And if you don't mind subscribing and liking this video, and if you don't mind clicking the bell button so you can be notified when I do more videos. And have a great day, because today's great. Don't make it seem horrible today. Don't get mad at anybody, but be happy. Be so happy. Woo! Just, you know, if you watch these videos, let me know how I'm doing. And if you say that they're bad, let me know, because I need to know if they're bad. So anyways, hope you guys have a great day. Bye.